Greetings, welcome. I'm gonna adjust the screen there a little bit. Awesome. Okay, so greetings and welcome. I thank you for joining us. We have a lot to talk about today, but I just want to first say that I feel very excited. I have a lot of energy because yesterday was the first day of spring, and I don't know about you, but every time spring arrives, I just get very excited and I'm happy and I'm energized and enthused.
I feel the same way.
Yeah,
absolutely.
And so for me, and I don't know about everyone else, but for me, spring symbolizes new beginnings. It symbolizes new life and growth and opportunity. And I know for a lot of people, I also observe that a lot of people actually start to become a little bit more health conscious. You want to close that off? Our battery's going to die. Okay, well, so we'll have to make this quick because the battery's going to die. But they become a little more health conscious because they're able to go outside. They become more active. But I also think it's a great opportunity to become more health conscious because in 5 days, we are launching our 4-part masterclass series.
It's really exciting.
Yeah. So actually, if you click the link above this video when we're done here, just click the link. You can sign up for that. And we're very excited about that because that's going to be a great way, something for you to grab onto as you try to achieve better health.
Yeah, and it doesn't cost you anything, but it couldn't have come at a more perfect time. Exciting time for us, of course, because it's something new for the new beginnings, but also for you too, to bring your health to the next level so you can enjoy the beautiful weather that we're about to receive over the next few months. Right.
And so that's not what we're actually going to talk about today. Today we're going to talk about healthcare. And the unfortunate thing about living in North America is that our healthcare system really isn't a healthcare system. What it really is a sick care system. And so, by the way, I'm Dr. Casey.
And for those who don't know me, I'm Dr. Morgan. And we really do have incredible resources here in North America. I would say we have top-notch technology. We have very well-trained doctors who could handle up a crisis care situation very well. I'm actually going to go ahead and say we probably have one of the best emergency medical systems around the world, and it's something that we should be very grateful for.
Absolutely. I feel grateful for that, but the problem is that only a small portion of the drugs that we consume and the surgeries being performed are actually part of that critical emergency care system. And so all of these quote-unquote lifestyle treatments in the form of drugs and surgeries used on patients are mostly for patients who have chronic diseases and conditions. And a lot of those chronic diseases and conditions are due to the many exposures to chemicals, toxins, emotional stresses, years of physical trauma, and I know this is just what's interfering with our health.
Yeah,
right? Interfering with your health.
And I think that I guess essentially we could say a lot of the treatments that were offered through the medical system is a Band-Aid solution to the symptoms that your body is expressing to you, telling you that there's an underlying problem, but it never solves the underlying issue. That's not what it's designed for. And the folly to our medical system, although it's great for sick care and crisis care, is that it doesn't acknowledge that you cannot medicate your way out of a health problem that you've developed through lifestyle or environmental reasons, whether it be knowingly or unknowingly.
Right. And so with our conventional medical healthcare system, the current system we have right now, really there's limited options for you. I mean, it's a two-trick pony. The answers are either drugs or surgery. And what's unfortunate is neither of those options actually acknowledge or honor your body's innate ability to heal. And I think people are getting tired of this approach. They're looking for an answer. And what this community's been designed to do is actually present you with unlimited health opportunities.
Yeah, and I think when we look at our health, we need to look at all aspects of our health in order to allow our body to heal. And when we talk about all aspects of the health, we're talking about mindset, making sure you're minimizing stress, making sure you're eating all the right foods and you have a good nutrition base. We're talking about exercise, but exercising for your body type, and looking at your environment and starting to remove toxins and other stresses to your body that are in your environment, and making sure you have a clear nervous system and there's no interference to that. So many people neglect a lot of areas and they focus on simply one. So maybe it's somebody who's very interested in going to the gym and they look great because they lift a lot of weights, but maybe on the way home they're eating McDonald's and then getting home only to eat a bag of chips, and they're not really healthy. Or maybe it's somebody who they don't work out, they're bombarded with stress, and but they always eat the right food. And really, you cannot be fully healthy when you're only focusing on one aspect of your health. It's important to focus on all aspects so that you can actually heal.
Right, and I think fibromyalgia is a perfect example, because the underlying cause of your fibromyalgia could very well be a deficiency in one or all aspects of your health. And that's why it's so important to address all of these aspects. So I just want to remind you again, there's an opportunity here for you. If you click on the link above the video, that will take you to the sign up to our 4-part masterclass series that's going to address all aspects of health. And the beautiful thing is that there's no cost. So take advantage of it.
And we're going to highlight in the masterclass how any problem in any of the aspects of your health that I just listed can actually contribute to the symptoms of fibromyalgia. And we're going to walk you through how to remove the interference from your life so that you can give your body the ability to heal and the opportunity to.
Right. I want to say hi to Mary Lynn. I want to say hi to Colin. And just again, everybody, click on the link above the video to sign up for the masterclass. It starts in only 5 days.
You're one step closer.